Leaves are falling all around. Time I was on my way.
Leaves are falling all around. Time I was on my way.
It's time for me to go. Mojo Day Trade Room. We're done for the day. Nice song. Ramble on Rose. Led Zeppelin. Show everybody what we did today in the Mojo Day Trade Room. Whoo, look at this stock. V-Cell. Made a nice move right here from 370 to 450. This was the 12th trade. No, it was the 11th trade of the day. You want to see the other 10? Check this out. Look at the open. Stock at the open goes from 391 to 430. Then goes from 386 to 425. Trade number 2. Trade number 3. Trade number 4. Trade number 5. Trade number 6. Trade number 7. Trade number 8. Trade number 9. And here's the last one. And that's how it worked. Let me show you the first one. The first one we did right here, and we did a poll. Do you think V-Cell is a good Heinz move right here at 390? And here's the poll. It was 382 by 390. This was the move pre-market. And I tell you, Mojo, look at the answers, 48% and 48%. 19 people said yes, it was a good move to go through 4, as called my patented Heinz trade. And the other people said no. See that? So the answer, no. It was not a good one. Not a good Heinz trade. The reason why? Who wants to tell me the answer? Why? Why is it not good? Let's see what the pro traders and the traders answer. There you go. Plain as day is simple. The pro trader, the trader thinks it's volume, and the pro trader says it came too far and it's up too much already, and that's your answer. Because it came too far and it's up too much already. What are you kidding me? It didn't start at 80. It started at 260. So way up too much, too short. Too much. It's a possible short at the open. Yeah. See, Dino, that thinking right there. Congratulations. Nice job. Trader Dino wants to short V-Cell. That's what you're telling me, right? That's nice.
No.
You're welcome. We don't short, Dino. Number 1. So I threw you under the bus. Number 1, we don't short. Number 2, why are you shorting when we are long? I had this problem this morning. There was a guy in here, Trader Rojo. And Trader Rojo says right here, Mojo's the only place to be. Here, Trader Rojo is soon worth buying here. That was at 9:30. Then later on, he's in another room where they're shorting V-Cell against my picks. And he sends me a message and says, Mike, be careful, because the room I'm in or whatever is shorting against you. I said, that's nice. Watch him get burned. Okay. And they sure did. And here's his thing. He's out of the room now. I kicked him out because he watches them on Twitter and he's a mole. See, up too much possibility of a short. So I got some concerns about Dino because Dino's a shorter. I was not. I waited to say for you to go in at 371. Then why are you talking about shorting? It doesn't make any sense. Like this doesn't make sense. The guy that I kicked out this morning says, I can't unblock. I can't friend request you and let you see my Twitter because the Twitter's on my iPad and I trade on my computer. That's what he tells me. So I can't go in, but he follows everybody on Twitter, all the notorious shorters. And he sends me a message and says, Mike, be careful because they're shorting V-Cell. So that's nice. So here's the pre-market trade. The stock did go to 403, 413. You could have made a dime, but it was way too risky and it dropped way down. So it really wasn't qualified as a great trade. Let me show you another one. This right here is trade number 1. Let me show you. So this one is trade number 1. This is trade number 3. This is the third trade. We bought right here at 381 by 386, and we sold it right here at 405 by 408. We bought that bar just as I showed you at the open. We bought this one, sold it. Bought this one, sold it. Now we're buying this one, all right, which is right here, and we're selling it right here. We already bought this one and sold it here. We bought this one and sold it here. Now we bought this one and we sold it here. Okay, watch the next one. Here's trade 5, 417. Okay, so right here, this was the end. So we bought, like I showed you, bought here, we sold and we sold. This is the end of the sells. Okay, then the next trade after that, we sold up into that 417 right there. You see that? Now, I'll go to the next one. So from 417, we rebought it back at 379. So you could see right here, it made a beautiful move up into that bar I just showed you. We waited, didn't buy this one, didn't buy any of these. It firmed up, and I'm in right here at 376 to 379, thinking it's going to go up here, and it sure does right here, 385. All right, then we got that move right here, happened. This is the 7th trade. There's your move up that we sold into here. Now we're rebuying it back here, right there, adding right here at 67. Now it's already back at 77 by 78. Then I saw a signal at 86. This is the signal at 86 that was in the day trade room. So we bought in anticipation of going through 86, added. Here's 80. There's your 85 signal. There's your 92. And now the stock is 447. So listen, if anybody wants to short, if anybody told you to short sale this stock today and get short on it, you're following the wrong people. Go look back several months ago on fundme.com and a stock called, I think it was AQXP, maybe it was the one. No, it was KBio. And the guy had a $40,000 account with E-Trade, and he owed him $200,000 and went on GoFundMe to raise money because he was short and got burned. So we had a guy in our room that was a mole this morning that told me about the other rooms that were shorting the stock, and I told them they're going to get burned if they're shorting it right here at 376 because they'll have a buy-in and they'll get really burned with the stock. And those are some notorious other rooms that, hey, that's their strategy. You can go get, you can go get a meal and get a hamburger at McDonald's, or you can go get a hamburger at Red Robin, completely different. One's more satisfying than the other. One shorts, one doesn't. So they're all different. They all have their own games. Where are you going to go eat? That's the thing. There's so many choices, so many rooms, so many people to follow. But I have actual transparency, and I show everybody the trades. And the reason why I take this many screenshots is because this is the patterns that repeat themselves. So I know next time the stock makes a move like this, I can take advantage of it and be in it because it traded 12 million shares today so far. Excellent, excellent job today, everybody.
Thanks to you, I'm much obliged.
I'm much obliged.
Such a pleasant stay.
Isn't it nice here in the room?
But now it's time for me to go. The autumn moonlights
No.
my way.
Don't go yet. Don't go yet. Let's show you the trade plays. Here's the morning routine. We did Sun Edison for a reversal at 70, filled at 79. The stock right now is 89 or something like that. 85, been to not, you know, so look at it. It's already up to 87 right there. Love this. We bought it right here at 78, right off the low. See that? Filled 79 average right off the low. I waited all day for that. Trend trade reversal, lower than 182. I waited a long time, man. They liked it at the open. Then we got V-Cell 378, adding 75, sold 87. Soon sold a quarter at 85. Soon's a rocket at 87, sold a little bit more. 389, sold some more V-Cell, got half left, and the stock is 445. Okay, look, 438. That's what Mojo's talking about, absolute power. Just got to take a look at the open here with one bar at the open, okay? So we had that done. Let's take a look at the traders and how we did today. Right now it is 10:44. Let's take a look, see how the traders did today. Let's see, daily poll. Today is the 10th. It's 10:30. We've done 8 trades. At least, I think we did 10. Soon and V-Cell. In regards to hitting your daily goals, how did everybody do today?
But now I smell the rain. I'm with it, hey, and it's heading my way. Sometimes I grow so tired. But I know if I want.
I know I got one thing I got to do. Ramble on, baby. So check it out. Tomorrow at 1 p.m. on my website, I have a free class. You want to earn extra income and get some mojo in your pocket? Special class, 100,000 a year extra part-time income. It starts in 9 hours. Claim your spot now. You're going to learn how to set up your day trading business, the importance of having me as a mentor and a coach, lifeguarding your trades, the tools required for high accuracy trading, and the strategies used by the best traders in the world, and how to find stocks to trade, account bankroll management, and much, much more. Come by tomorrow at 1 p.m. Be very exciting class. How'd everybody do today? 14 people made between 1% to 5% on their account. That's pretty nice and spanky. How'd else we do? We got 3 people. A couple people need some more trades. Stick around. You're in Mojo Wave Theory. It may be possible. Then we have 11 people have made their money paper trading. And we do have one person, a solo guy that lost. I'd love to help you. If you lost and everyone else is winning, you got to come on down to the Mojo table and let me operate and see what's going on inside the mind. We'll do that. Okay.
Well, yes.
We can. So listen, everybody, great job today on your goals. How we do making money every day. Very nice. Very nice. Now, let's see what else we got. Let's look at the swings. We have MGNA moving up nicely on the daily chart, guys. Look at that. We own it down here at 3. We've owned it for half a year. This is a disappointment. This stock, OxySure, I have no idea why the stock with such good fundamentals and news is down like it is. I mean, I'm not buying any more down here because I can't lower the average than what we have it. We're looking for it to go back into the 20-cent and above range. And the stock was $1.14 last time we took a profit on it. So there is a little bit of a cushion on it. APPS has come down. We sold up into that top at 149. Mags is doing good. We sold up into that top yesterday at 466. This one hasn't made a move yet. Silver, we own at $5 down here. It's still 10.30. Broadwind Energy is doing good. We own Broadwind down here, $1.60. Stock's $2.20. Mankind, we have that stock here at $1. Stock's $1.25. Vivis, we own this at $1. I'm expecting the same move on Vivis as we do on Mankind right now. Just be patient. You guys, we have it 73 cents down here, 75 cents. Sun Edison, we have it $1.48. Sold up into 3. We have it back here at $1.90 and 2. ICLD, we have this little jobber. And RJet, we already sold. We owned it at 70 cents and we sold it up into $1.70. RJet, I could take off the screen. And that's the swing trade update right there. SDRL taking off. VCell, great trading today. We were able to hit the big winner today. And that's it. So Pro Trader Mike, that's the Mojo show for today. Let's see one other thing I had on the agenda, which I put some time and work into on my website. You go to Mojo University and then go to the testimonials. I want to read, if you take the time to read 3 of these, see a lot of people put out a testimonial. I can go on my Twitter. I get, hundreds of notifications and great job, Mike, a day, but that's not really a testimonial. Anyone could just take a second out to do that. If a guy takes the time to write you this letter, it really means something. After taking some time this past weekend to reflect on my past year of my life, I want to express my sincere appreciation for your services, teaching, and guidance. He started following me on Twitter his first day in the room. Prior to Mojo, he had his fair share of ups and downs, painful in particular. Learning has taught him more valuable lessons and skills than he can recall. It's only been 4 months. Learning has taught me more skills. Talks about his business and his life. My advice to anyone who wishes to trade successfully is to save your sanity and go do this and make it happen for you and everyone else. That's one really great testimonial, and I'd like you to read through 3 of them. Okay? Right now into your 5 minutes of your time and go do that, and we're all set to go. Okay? Take your time to read that today. I'll be right back. Super duper. So if you're thinking about Mojo U, find the money to take the course. I have 200 of these in here from all my pro traders. Once you're a member of the team, I welcome you to come back time and time again. So if you're interested in taking the course, definitely do that. I have 1 spot available. I have 29 people that have signed up. I usually take 30 people a class. 50 or more pro traders come back each class. So it's about 80 people in each class. It's really packed. And I spend the time to get to know each of the 30 new ones while the other pro traders can participate in class and sit in the background. I've already gotten to know them. Okay. So there's going to be some special announcements tomorrow in the webinar. I feel welcome you all to come check that out. And that's pretty much it. One other thing I think I want to just mention here. I'm just going to mention it once. Only takes once. What do you think of when you see this? Guys, what do you think of when you see that? The best of Yahoo on Chrome. Alan, think omnipotent. Alan, think omnipotent. What does that mean? Is Google going to buy out Yahoo? Is Google going to buy out Yahoo? Make an acquisition. Yahoo has the content and the Google is like wearing like a t-shirt and like sweatpants. Now they're going to get all dressed up and fancy with the Yahoo garb, the purple, the beautifulness, the content, the video. It's like a pea in a pod. It's like a man and a woman. They're getting together, finally married. Google and Yahoo. It's going to be a new swing pick. Mojo Swing. Get ready. Pro Trader Mike signing off. I'll leave you on that omnipotence. See you later. We'll do the same thing tomorrow. Show's over. Peace. Yes. All right. Thank you. Ramble on, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow. Peace. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Mojo Show live is over. Next class. Boom. Ramble on, baby.